Good morning, everyone. We are heading over to my dad's. I got to install a cable line for the passenger door. So on the 2000, I believe it's 4 to 8 Honda Accords, the cable line, it has like a plastic piece that always breaks or fails, and that one broke on the passenger door, so we are going to replace the cable. Got it off at Amazon for $13. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I got to meet up with my buddy who picked up a Hyundai, or is it considered Hyundai or Genesis 3.8 turbo. So I'm going to do like a little photo for him because he picked up some BBS wheels and they look clean, like the fitment, everything looks good on it. And so now that he's kind of in the car game, and a lot of respect for how he's been going through the struggle with his mom as well, and he's not just a friend, he's a brother to me. One of my day ones growing up, and he's been holding it down. So I'm gonna do a little video for him and just take some pictures so they can send it to the guy that he got the wheels from. But we'll head over. Got to get some fuel. I am on 54 miles before it goes. So we're gonna head over to the Flying J's, where I always get my fuel with my truck, and get some 91. But yeah, so we'll head over there, do that. Yesterday was the funeral for my best man. Got to meet all my friends again. We haven't really took a group picture, hung out like that, or been together within, I want to say, 10 years. So it was pretty crazy being all together at one time. So $80 or $40 got me half tank. So about 82, 83 or 85 will do a full tank of gas. So I always go to Flying J because I use my trucking app, and I get a discount off of the fuel, and I get points if I fuel diesel. So yeah. Alright, so the parts I'm going to change is this wire. This one looks, or cable, this one actually looks longer than this one, so I got to test fit it, see if it's going to even work. And it actually looks like it will. Oh, looks like it will, Papa.
Is it?
It looks like it'll fit.
Can be.
Yeah.
That's very good.
Looks like it'll reach. Yeah, I think it'll be fine. Let me put it in. So it turns out this part number is not the correct part. It looks like it's going to be for a 4-door sedan Honda Accord for the back door. This is a passenger. If I bend it just like this, you can see it's 2 inches too long. So that is not going to be it. So I'm going to go to Pep Boys, which they said they had one in stock at the warehouse. Hopefully they have it, then we can get it done today. So I'll see if we got it. Hopefully this video is not a fail and I have to just throw it away. All right, so the part at Advanced Auto Parts, they took over Pep Boys. They do not have it. They only kept giving me the older model. So the whole time it was the wrong part. So this AO2 when it's supposed to be like AO3. So it's from an older model. So we got to find it. The closest place, they said the closest dealership was Bakersfield. So I just messaged my homeboy, Jeremy, who has the yellow Type R. He works as the dealership for Honda. And we'll see if he has it in stock in the Bay Area. If not, then I have to order it from the website and just hope that part comes in. So I'm going to go ahead and just put everything back, hook it up so they can roll the windows down, but they won't be able to use the door latch until I get the new door cable installed for them. So, but yep. So I guess I'll end the video here until I get the correct stuff. Then, so this part is not made for this year. They said it was an older year. So it's supposed to, I'll post the part number right here. That's the correct one. So I'll go ahead and wrap this up. I'll put that on there just so they can have power to the windows. And then we'll meet up with Bobby to do a quick little B-roll and pictures of our cars together. So I'll see you guys over there after I do this. If I can fail today, man, sucks.
Hey, I just got off work. What's up with that video?